So good evening. This is my finals project for ABTE 226 Section 1C. I am Mary Charm A. Balin. So this is the diagram for my given, which is number 1, the total voltage is equal to 220 CJS 90 volts, which is in polar form. I is equal to 5 minus J12 amperes in a rectangular form. R is equal to 40 plus J30 ohms. And XC is equal to 25 CJS minus 73.75 ohms in polar form. So for the total impedance, having total voltage over I, ET is equal to 220 times E raised to J 90 degrees, which give us equals to J 220. So we should divide ET by I, so giving us ZT is equal to J 220 over 5 minus J12. So for us to get the given, we should multiply it with its conjugate, which is 5 plus J12. So giving us ZT is equal to J220 plus J12 over 5 minus J12 multiplied by 5 plus J12, giving us an answer of J220 times 5 plus J12 over 25 plus 144. So our simplified form is J220 times 5 plus J12 all over 169. Simplifying it further, J220 multiplied by 5 over 169 plus J220 plus J12 over 169, giving us a 1100J plus over 169 minus 220 times 12 over 169. So ZT is equal to 6.51 minus J13.02 ohms. For inductive reactance, we have the formula ZT is equal to R plus XC plus XL. Rearranging it for the inductive reactance, XL is equal to ZT minus R minus X. So, substituting the values, R is equal to 40 plus J30 ohms. We should convert XC, which is equal to 25 CJS minus 73.74 to rectangular form. We'll have the value of XC, 25 cosine negative 73.74 degrees, plus J sine of negative 73.74 degrees, giving us a value of XC equals to 7.14 minus J24 ohms. So for RXL, we should substitute all the values. So having 6.51 minus J13.02 minus 40 plus J30 minus 7.14 minus negative J24. If we will simplify the values, we'll get a 6.51 minus 40 minus 7.14 plus J13.02 minus J30 plus J24. This is the given formula for subtraction when it comes to complex numbers. Everything should always be in a rectangular form. So, giving us an XL of negative 40.63 minus J19.02 ohms, giving us that as our final answer. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you, Engineer Chen.